Is it okay if I pick you up? You're not gonna pick up. Is it okay if I pick you up? So there's a huge brown snake we found out in the yard. I'm a huge fan of the crocodile hunter. I watched him a lot as a kid, and I always used to catch like lizards and snakes. So I've always been interested in snakes and snake handling, and now this is my chance. First I'm gonna try to figure out what kind it is based on the location and what it looks like. Then I'm gonna look up like safe snake handling procedures. See if I can relocate them to a safer place so the kids don't have to worry about them. This kind of looks like it. It's just really long, just plain brown. Has the narrow head here at the end. I've got a gripper for the front. I've got my gloves, thick leather gloves. We think it is a whip snake. What's it called, an eastern whip snake? Even if we're wrong about that, we know there's only 6 known venomous snakes in Alabama, and we know it's not one of those.
I am a little worried it's going to get out of this, but
because it's so big.
It's so big. Let's see.
It's over by the fence there.
Okay,
that's where its holes are. It's really hard to see in the weeds there. Oh no! Oh no!
Grab him!
Escaping.
Grab him!
Oh crud! That was my chance.
We saw him.
He was behind the gate there.
Ah. Oh my gosh!
All right, we just gotta walk away and come back. So I decided to ditch the gloves and the grabber thing because they're just way too clunky and awkward, and I'm just going with my hands and a stick. I know karate, so that's what I'm used to, right? I just feel like I can be more agile. Also, we decided not to relocate it because having a big snake around to eat other smaller, potentially venomous snakes, and also little critters like mice and stuff, that's actually pretty handy. So we're gonna keep it around. It's not dangerous. Happy snake. There it is. There's its body under this grass here. And its head's on that side. Ooh, he is strong. I've got his tail. He is strong. Oh my gosh, he's under all the weeds. I'm gonna try to grab him in the middle instead. Okay, I gotta get him out of the weeds here. Okay, all right. I got him out of the weeds. No, he is one strong bugger. Oh my gosh, he's pulling. He's pulling. Oh my gosh, he's pulling. He is strong. I am not squeezing him too hard. Gotta get this weed off of him. Okay. You're okay, buddy boy. You're okay, buddy boy. Come on. My goodness, I can feel his muscles writhing. I don't know if I can pull him out without hurting him. I'm pulling a little bit, but yeah, he is in there tight. Yeah, I don't want to hurt him. Should I let him go? That was a good first try, though.
First attempt, yeah.
Wait, look, can I feel him?
You want to feel him? Here, pet him.
That feels so
Very smooth, I know, isn't it?
All right, that's okay. Go ahead. See you next time. Bye-bye. He's out. He's all curled up. I don't know, I think his head might be over here somewhere. This is his tail. He curls around here. He curls around there. I can't see his head though. I don't really want to put my hand right next to his head. I could just step on the hole with my foot. You think that'd be okay? I don't think he'd try to bite my foot.
Give it a try.
All right, I'm gonna step on his hole. Hopefully he doesn't bite my leg. And I'm gonna put my hand right on his tail. Oh my goodness. Ooh, he's rattling his tail. He's rattling his tail to warn me.
Are you sure this is not a rattlesnake?
It's not a rattlesnake. Snakes do that. Like even non-rattlers imitate rattlesnakes by rattling their tails to sound like a rattlesnake. So he definitely felt threatened right then. I want to know where his head is. Oh, there's his head. I see it. He's coming out. Uh-oh, uh-oh. You're okay. You're okay. Oh. He's not happy. Oh. Okay, I got him away. He's going for his hole.
Good job.
Oh my goodness, he's kind of hurt right there on his belly. Poor guy. That's sad. Did you get hurt? Look at his belly here. He's hurt right there. Is it okay if I pick you up? You not gonna hurt? Is it okay if I pick you up?
Settle down, mate.
Woohoo! Woohoo! He didn't snap at me, but he definitely wound around. Don't get close. Whoa, he was winding up to spring at me. He does not like this at all. I'm gonna let him go. He's looking at me. All right, let me bring you back to your hole, okay, buddy? See him rattling his tail? Look at that. He's jiggling it. All right, going back to your hole. There he goes.
Like I said, you need to grab the head before it bites you.
There he goes.
You need to grab the tail.
Oh, my heart is racing. I bet he's more scared than I am, though. He does have a wound on his belly, like something attacked him. Like the only things around here, there's hawks and stuff around here that would
And
find him.
coyotes and foxes.
Them coyotes.
Coyotes and foxes.
That's right.
I don't know if they go for snakes, but hawks definitely would. He's injured on the belly there, poor guy. So, but I got my kicks. I picked him up. I saw his whole body. He's a nice big snake.